Are you running low on space, wasting time searching for parts and products, or have high-value inventory that you need to protect? You can take care of all of these problems with the Pan Carousel, another innovative storage solution from Vidir. The Pan Carousel is an automated storage and retrieval system that utilizes your vertical space with a nested shelving design that can maximize storage capacity. By reducing your footprint, you'll increase productivity, centralize inventory, and reduce wasted time spent searching and retrieving items. Advanced carousel automation retrieves the product via the shortest possible path, further increasing your employees' capacity. Versatile features such as interchangeable dividers, removable storage bins, and intermediary shelves. You can customize the internal layout of your Pan Carousel to further maximize your space for current and expanding needs. Some product or supply is simply too valuable to be left out on unprotected shelves. With the addition of an optional locking gate and password protection, you can manage your high-cost inventory, protecting product from outside factors as well as reducing the risk of theft. By utilizing a Pan Carousel, you'll be able to protect your product with this rugged and secure storage and retrieval system. If you're looking to maximize your space, organize your inventory, and increase your protection within a limited footprint, Vidir's Pan Carousel is certain to provide the stability and performance to meet your storage needs.